Hey everyone, this is Yon at Cougar Creek Ranch, November 6, November X-ray whiskey. I don't know if you can see well. I set up a rope and the connection to the tree on the other side. This is the antenna that I want to raise from 6 meters to intention was 20 meters, but basically the alder on the far end of the image I sent you before actually was a little bit short, so I got only 15 meters height there. And now I'm going to do the second leg. This tree is way over 20 meters, and one thing I'm doing to save a little bit of my climbing on the rope and with the harness time and with the spikes, I'm using a ladder that goes about, I guess, probably very close to 10 meters, or I don't know. I have to measure it. So one thing that I want to mention here, I will save a lot of time by using the ladder to that height. And a ladder, it's a kind of questionable solution when you are climbing trees. So I want to show that here I am actually securing the base of the ladder with 2 sticks, and that's rebar. So it's anchored pretty well. Now I'm preparing steel wire. It's about 12 gauge galvanized, and it's anchored the base of the tree. So I'll have, from the point where it's connected on the tree, I'll have a length of the wire that will bring the and I will connect the feed point about the same location where is now the current antenna. So yeah, I have another cable here because I need a longer cable to get to the feed point. So I'll be ready. So actually yesterday I was able to run the antenna connected on my left side here at the 6 meter pole instead of 17 meters location on the fir tree. The reason is because maybe I didn't plan it properly. Actually, the 17 meters location moved the antenna toward the forest here, and it will touch the branches. I need to go fix that today. I need to go and cut some branches over there. Also, I do have on this side, it's a little bit difficult to see, but you can see it's currently just barely touching the leaves, so minimal on that apple tree. Now, if I move it to the 17 meter location on the other side, then I'll have yeah, you can see this here. If I move in the other side, I'll be moving toward the forest and toward the apple tree. So today I need to go and cut both branches on the fir tree, and also on the apple tree I need to cut some branches there. So I will clear and be able to move to the nice 17-meter height location, which is right there. Yeah, I have pulleys, so no need to climb again the tree. So let's see. So here is one end of the antenna. Let me see if I can get a close up on the cable that go up to 17 meters from the ground. And then you can see the matching box over there. And then this is yeah, the cable coming down, and you can see, I mean, the coax cable, and then the antenna is going above the trees over there to this alder tree, and it's about 15 meters at the location, and it's not anymore touching any leaves or branches. Well, I'm happy how it looks. This is direct the antenna, so I'll go through the amplifier and have a little bit of a chance to match it. So this is 40-meter band, 7 megahertz. It's 7.172. It's 229, but it's much better the low end. And then let me see if I can do that with the other hand. Oops, I went too fast. So it looks like I'm 14 point, what is that? Uh, 14.084. It's 2 point, how much is that? Anyway, 2.5 approximately, no, 2.9, whatever, it's below 3. But however, I'm below that, actually below 2, almost all the way to 30 megahertz. Well, I think I can match with my tuner or with my amplifier settings. I can grab everything from 14 to 30 megahertz. Beautiful. Well, what can I say? I am very happy with the antenna, raising it from 6 meters to 15 meters approximately. It did very well. In fact, yesterday I was, in the evening, I was able to contact many stations that I could hear them relatively with some difficulties because of the QSB on the band and the noise. But I received very good 5.9 reports almost from everywhere. So success, I'm happy, and I hope the antenna will be sitting there well and not falling apart for many years. 73, my friends.